Ragic's built-in email feature streamlines your workflow by automating the sending of bulk newsletters, event notifications, and monthly reminders during peak seasons. Let's take the sales order sheet as an example. Suppose the customer's email is already recorded here. When I want to send an order confirmation email to them, I don't have to manually copy the order information, export it as a PDF file, and go through the process of pasting the information into an email software, attaching files, and sending the email. With Ragic, the whole process becomes seamless and efficient. All I need to do is to click on the Tools menu on the top of the form page and select Email this entry. It allows you to send an email faster from the Ragic sheet, eliminating the need for repetitive copy-pasting. In Ragic, the email feature settings usually appear as a pop-up window. You can use variables to insert the link of the sheet or field values into your email. We can configure the recipient, subject, content, and whether to include attachments. For instance, I can customize the subject as Beauty Skincare Shop Order Confirmation, Order ID, and by clicking the eye icon, I can preview how the settings will appear in the email. If I input customer name here, then click the eye icon to preview it, the system will automatically fill in the value of the customer's name field. By inputting record link, the system will populate this variable as the entry link. While if you input record summary, the system will populate this variable with this entry overview. For other supported variables, you can check the link in the description box. If you frequently send the order confirmation email in this format, you can save it as an email template by clicking Save as Email Template. This way, you can avoid manual customization for every email sent. However, you can only create one template in each sheet. So each time you create a new template, it will replace the previous one. After completing the settings, click Send to deliver the email to the recipient's inbox. Once the email is sent, you can access the complete history by clicking on the mail icon located in the lower right corner of the form page. If the recipient replies to the email, you can conveniently reply within this interface, and the system will send the email. If you need to send this type of email regularly, and there are multiple template formats of email that you need, such as order confirmation or shipping notification, in addition to Save as Email Template, you can also add Custom Email button. Enter the design mode. Click Form Tools and select Send Custom Email. Take the shipping notification email as an example. First, modify the subject to your Beauty Skincare Shop order. Order ID is on the way. Then replace the default paragraph in the content with the text you need. After adding the content, you can also choose whether to attach files. For example, in this shipping notification email, you can attach a link to this entry, allowing customers to access more details about their order through the link. Click Save when you're done, and enter the button name as Sending Shipping Notification. After clicking Save and exiting the design mode, you will find an action button located in the lower right corner of the sheet. This button enables you to quickly send the email, and through the mail icon, you can access the email conversation history. In addition to sending emails manually, you can also set up automated email reminders. Click on Change Design to enter the design mode. Let's say you want the system to automatically send an email to the customer on the shipping day. Go to the Form Settings tab and click on Reminder. First, name the reminder as Shipping Notification and select the shipping date field. Then, set the reminder to be sent on the day as the shipping date by choosing the option 0 days before. Select the customer's email as the recipient for the reminder. And finally, click on the Add Reminder button to save the settings. Click on the reminder you just set. From there, you can customize the reminder email by modifying the subject and content. Once everything is set, the system will automatically send the email to the customer on the shipping date. Click Save and exit the design mode. In Ragic, you can also send mass emails all at once. If you have a sheet in Ragic that contains all customer data, including their email addresses, you can easily send a mass marketing email to all customers at once. Click Tools and select Send Mass Email. Select the customer email field as the recipient, and the system will send the email to every customer in the sheet. You can customize the subject and content of the email and choose whether to attach files. For instance, you can include the latest EDM as an attachment in your email. After you finish the settings, it's recommended to first send the email to yourself as a test. If everything appears to be correct, you can then proceed to click on Mass Send to send the email to all the customers on your list. You can send emails to specific customers using the search feature in Ragic. For example, you want to send discount information email exclusively to A-level customers. Use the search feature to filter and display only those customers. Then, click Tools and select Send Mass Email. Customize the subject and content of the email and send it specifically to the A-level customers. You can also use the email button created in the form page and execute it in the listing page using Batch Execute. Go to Tools, choose Batch Execute, select the action button you have created, and click Execute. Ragic will automatically send the email. To learn more about Ragic, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below.